Henry Ford was an American industrialist and founder of the Ford Motor Company, born in 1863. He revolutionized the automobile industry by making cars affordable for the average person. Before Ford, automobiles were luxury items, handcrafted and expensive. His introduction of the moving assembly line in 1913 transformed manufacturing by significantly reducing production time and costs. This innovation allowed Ford to mass-produce the Model T, making car ownership accessible to millions. The assembly line's impact extended beyond automobiles, shaping modern manufacturing in industries like electronics, healthcare, and consumer goods. Today, its principles continue to evolve with automation, robotics, and AI, maintaining its relevance in global production. Henry Ford was born in 1863 in Michigan, USA, and grew up on a farm where he developed an early interest in mechanics. Fascinated by machines, he worked as an apprentice machinist before joining the Edison Illuminating Company as an engineer. His passion for automobiles led him to build his first gasoline-powered car, the quadricycle, in 1896. In 1903, he founded the Ford Motor Company, determined to create reliable and affordable cars for the masses. His breakthrough came with the Model T in 1908, a vehicle designed for efficiency and durability. Ford's vision extended beyond just making cars. He aimed to change industrial production by increasing efficiency and lowering costs, which ultimately led to the development of the moving assembly line in 1913. Before Henry Ford introduced the moving assembly line, automobiles were built by skilled craftsmen who worked on each vehicle from start to finish, making production slow and expensive. Ford sought a way to manufacture cars faster and more efficiently to meet growing demand. Inspired by continuous flow production methods used in industries like meatpacking and flour milling, he and his team experimented with breaking down the car assembly process into smaller, repetitive tasks. In 1913, Ford implemented the first moving assembly line at his Highland Park plant, where workers remained in place while the vehicle moved along a conveyor system. This innovation reduced the time to assemble a Model T from over 12 hours to just 90 minutes, drastically lowering costs and making cars affordable for ordinary Americans. The introduction of the moving assembly line revolutionized automobile manufacturing by reducing the production time of the Model T from over 12 hours to just 90 minutes. This drastic improvement enabled mass production, allowing Ford to lower costs and sell cars at prices accessible to the average consumer. However, while the assembly line increased efficiency, it also standardized work in a way that made tasks highly repetitive and monotonous for workers. The intense pace and lack of variety in their duties led to high turnover rates. To address this issue and retain a stable workforce, Ford introduced the famous $5 a day wage in 1914, more than doubling the average pay at the time. This not only improved worker satisfaction, but also helped create a new class of consumers who could afford the very cars they were producing, further fueling demand for the Model T. Henry Ford's assembly line principles became the foundation of modern manufacturing, extending far beyond the automobile industry. By introducing efficiency, specialization, and mass production, Ford's methods influenced industries such as electronics, food processing, and healthcare. Companies like Apple, Amazon, and Tesla have adapted assembly line techniques, integrating automation and robotics to further enhance productivity. Just-in-time manufacturing, lean production, and continuous improvement strategies trace their origins to Ford's system, shaping how products are made and delivered worldwide. However, while automation has increased efficiency, it has also reduced the need for human labor in some industries, raising concerns about job displacement. Despite these challenges, Ford's legacy continues to evolve with AI and robotics, ensuring that the principles of the assembly line remain essential to modern industrial production. Ford's assembly line revolutionized industrial production by making goods more affordable and accessible, fundamentally changing consumer culture. Mass production allowed companies to lower costs, increase efficiency, and provide products to a wider audience, shaping the modern economy. Today, the assembly line remains a crucial part of manufacturing, continuously evolving with advancements in AI and robotics. Automation has improved precision and speed while reducing human labor in repetitive tasks, allowing industries to produce more complex and innovative products. From car factories to smartphone production, Ford's principles still drive efficiency in global industries. As technology advances, the core idea of streamlining production remains unchanged, demonstrating how one innovation from over a century ago continues to shape the world today.